Welcome in trigonometry part 32. In this part we are going to discuss trigonometrical equation. Okay, so try to understand what are trigonometrical equation. You have already read about algebraic equation. What are algebraic equations? Equation involving xy, like x square plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, 2x plus 5y equal to 0, maybe in one variable only. These are algebraic equation, not only power 2, maybe 3, 4, anything. If you write simply x equal to 5, x equal to 10, these are algebraic equation. Okay, these are algebraic. And take 3x equal to 10. So these are algebraic equations involving x and y variables. In the same way, if an equation involves trigonometrical ratios in place of x, y, if sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, these trigonometrical ratios are involved, then these equations are called trigonometrical equation. Suppose you are writing 5 sin square theta plus cos theta equal to 2 is an equation involving trigonometrical ratios. So it is a trigonometrical equation. 5 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 2 equal to 0 is a trigonometrical equation. If you are simply writing sin theta equal to half is a trigonometrical equation. If you are writing 5 cos theta equal to 2 is a trigonometrical equations. The equation involving trigonometrical ratios are called trigonometrical equations. Clear? For algebraic equation, the values of x and y are called its solution. x और y का जो values होते हैं वो उसका solution होता है. Similarly, for trigonometrical equation, the values of theta, here variable is theta. For trigonometrical equation, the values of theta which satisfy the equation called its solution. थीटा का जो वैल्यू इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा वो उसका सॉल्यूशन होगा. समझ लो. अच्छा, algebraic equation and trigonometrical equation, there is a basic difference. In algebraic equation, suppose this is an algebraic equations, how many solution will come? How many solution means how many values of x will come which satisfy this equation? Only one value, 10 by 3, because it is a first degree equation and first degree equation always have one solution. कोई भी एक डिग्री का जो इक्वेशन होता है ना एक वेरिएबल में, उसका एक सॉल्यूशन होता है. तो कुछ भी आप लिखते हैं 5x इक्वल टू 3, इसका एक ही सॉल्यूशन होगा. ठीक है. 2 डिग्री का अगर इक्वेशन है, लाइक दिस इक्वेशन विल हैव हाउ मेनी सॉल्यूशन? 2. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, यू हैव सॉल्व्ड इन क्लास 10. In quadratic equation will have 2 solutions. Similarly, if there is a equation of third degree, it will gives you 3 solution. 4 डिग्री का इक्वेशन है तो उसका 4 सॉल्यूशन आता है. 5 डिग्री का है तो 5 सॉल्यूशन आएगा. nth डिग्री का है तो n सॉल्यूशन आएगा. Means finite number of solutions will come. Number of solution is same as number of degree of the equation. Okay, but in case of trigonometry, whatever degree of the equation may be, there will be infinitely many solutions. इस लाइन को नोट कर लीजिए. त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन चाहे किसी भी डिग्री का हो, फर्स्ट डिग्री, सेकेंड डिग्री, थर्ड डिग्री, हाउ मेनी सॉल्यूशंस विल बी देयर? इन्फिनिटी. ऑलवेज ए त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन हैज इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. इसको आप दिमाग में सेट करके रखिए. जैसे एक तो एग्जाम्पल आप समझ लीजिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए सिंपल त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन, दिस sin theta equal to 1 by 2 is a trigonometrical equation. Okay, Clear? Obviously the value of theta which satisfy this will be the solution. So what will be the value of theta? Obviously 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So 30 degree is a solution of this equation. Okay. 30 degree is not only the solution. If you take 150 degree, what will come? Sin 150 degree is also 1 by 2. So 150 is also a solution. If you take 30, if you go on adding 360, means 390 will also be a solution. 30 plus if you add double of 360, whatever come will also be a solution of this equation. 390 डिग्री साइन 390 डिग्री का वैल्यू भी 1/2 आएगा. 30 का तो 1/2 है, 150 का तो 1/2 है, तो पता है. 30 प्लस 360 कीजिएगा तो फिर वहीं आएगा घूम के. 360 प्लस 30 विल बी सेम एज 30, तो उसका भी हाफ आएगा. 2 इंटू 360 प्लस 30 विल गिव्स यू सेम एंगल, तो इसका साइन भी तो हाफ होगा. तो इन दिस वे इनफाइनाइटली मेनी एंगल्स में कम whose sine is 1/2. So this trigonometrical equation has how many solution? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, infinitely many solution. So each and in this way each and every trigonometrical equation has infinitely many solutions. This thing is clear. So if you want to solve a trigonometrical equation, solve means find the solutions, then you have to find all the infinite solution. एक त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए कहा जाएगा, आप उसका 2 ठो निकाल के तो नहीं छोड़ दीजिएगा ना. जैसे इसको सॉल्व कीजिए तो थीटा का वैल्यू 30 डिग्री, बस इतने आंसर. ये भी तो आंसर है, ये भी तो आंसर होगा, ये भी तो आंसर होगा. तो सब आंसर चाहिए, सॉल्यूशन मतलब सब आंसर चाहिए. तो सब आंसर को तो निकालना संभव नहीं है ना. हाउ मेनी आंसर विल यू गेट? 10, 15, 100, 1000. But all these solution we cannot write one by one, infinitely many solutions. In order to get the remedy of this situation, we represent the solution of a trigonometrical equation as a formula which represent all the answers. एक त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन का इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस होता है, सबको लिख के दिखाना संभव नहीं है. तो उसके लिए सारे आंसर को एक साथ दिखाने के लिए हम लोग एक फॉर्मूला का यूज करते हैं. एक फॉर्मूला के फॉर्म में उसको लिखेंगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड जनरल सॉल्यूशन और जनरल वैल्यू ऑफ दिस जनरल वैल्यू ऑफ द त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन. मीन्स ए फॉर्मूला व्हिच रिप्रेजेंट all the infinite solution of a trigonometrical equation, called its general solution. One example you see, you take sin theta equal to 0. Let us find its solution. What are the solution? Solution means values of theta which satisfy this. Sin 0 degree 0, sin 180 degree means sin pi is also 0, sin 2 pi is also 0, sin 3 pi is also 0, sin minus pi is also 0, sin minus 2 pi is also 0, minus 3 pi is also 0. Means 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi plus minus 3 pi plus minus 4 pi, all are solution. Infinitely many solutions are there. Okay, can all these solutions can be written as a formula? एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला टाइप का लिखते हैं जिससे ये सारा उसमें रिप्रेजेंट हो जाए. देखिए, तो अगर हम लोग लिखते हैं साइन थीटा इक्वल टू 0, थीटा इक्वल टू n पाई, वेयर n इज 0 प्लस माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस 2 एंड सो ऑन. ऐसा अगर लिखते हैं तो देखिए, तो ये जो n, जस्ट अ मिनट, sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi plus minus 3 pi are the solutions. We want to represent all these infinite solution as a formula. So as a formula, can you write theta equal to n pi, where n is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and so on. देखिए तो n के जगह पर 0 बैठाइए, ये 0 आ गया. n के जगह पर 1 बैठाइए, पाई आ जाएगा. -1 बैठाइए, माइनस पाई आएगा. 2 बैठाइए, 2 पाई आएगा. माइनस बैठाइए, -2 बैठाइए, -2 पाई आएगा. तो इन दिस वे इफ यू गो ऑन सब्सटीट्यूटिंग n इक्वल टू 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on here in this formula, you will get all the infinite solutions of this trigonometrical equation sin theta equal to 0. So for this trigonometrical equation sin theta equal to 0, all the infinite solution can be represented by this formula n pi. So n pi is the formula. ये एक formula के फॉर्म में है जो इसके सब infinite solution को represent करता है, where n is any integer you can say. So this formula n pi is called its general solution or general value of this trigonometrical equation. This sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi. This n pi is called its general solution. So I hope you have understand what is general solution or general formula and what is the need of writing this general formula. That also you have understand. So here we solve the trigonometrical equation, different type of trigonometrical equation, and we write the general value or general formula for the solution of the trigonometrical equation. Trigonometrical equation को यहाँ सॉल्व करेंगे और सॉल्व करके उसका पूरा इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस के लिए इस तरह का जनरल फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो हियर in order to solve any trigonometrical equation, first of all we solve some standard trigonometrical equation. कुछ स्टैंडर्ड त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन का जनरल सॉल्यूशन हम लोग निकालेंगे और उसको हम लोग याद रखेंगे एज ए फॉर्मूला, एंड देन बाय यूजिंग दोज सॉल्यूशंस वी कैन फाइंड त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनी त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन. कुछ स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशंस हैं जिसका हम लोग सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे जनरल फॉर्म में और उसको याद रखेंगे एज ए फॉर्मूला, और वो सब को यूज करके आप देखिएगा कोई भी त्रिकोणोमेट्रिकल इक्वेशन हो उसका हम लोग जनरल सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे. सो हम लोग सीखेंगे पहले टू फाइंड द जनरल सॉल्यूशन, general solution for the equations number 1 sin theta equal to 0, अभी जो देखे आप. नंबर 2 cos theta equal to 0. Number 3 tan theta equal to 0. We first find the general solutions of these three, and whatever come that we consider as a formula, and by using that we find the general solution of any other trigonometrical equations. These three, then after few more general formulas are there, we discuss those formula later on. First of all, find the general solution for the equations sin theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 0, tan theta equal to 0. Cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta not required. If cot theta equal to 0 required, then we write there cot theta 1 by tan theta, sec theta will be written as 1 by cos theta, cosec theta will be written as 1 by sin theta. So these three will solve our problems. So let us see first sin theta equal to 0. So you have just seen theta may be 0 degree, may be plus minus pi, may be plus minus 2 pi and so on. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Sin theta equal to 0, then theta may be 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi plus minus 3 pi and so on. These are the solutions of this trigonometrical equation. Therefore, in order to represent all the solution in a single formula, we can write it n pi. Is not it? Where n is any integer, or you can write n equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on. See, this represent all these results. If you go on writing 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on in place of n, you will get all the infinite solution. So the sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi is the general solution. So you have to remember sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi. Second, cos theta equal to 0. Then what will be the values of theta? Cos 90, 0. Okay. Cos 3 pi by 2, ये देखिए cos का वैल्यू ये 90 में 0 होता है ना, यहाँ 0 होता है, ठीक है. 90 3 pi by 2, then 5 pi by 2, again it will come 7 pi by 2 and so on. ये सब में, ये y एक्सिस में 90 में और 3 pi by 2 में, यहाँ ये हुआ pi by 2, यहाँ तक हुआ 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, then 5 pi by 2, 6 7 pi by 2, 8 9 pi by 2, 10 11 pi by 2. For these values of theta, your cos theta will be 0. This is clear. You can take negative also. What will be cos minus pi by 2? क्या होगा? cos माइनस थीटा तो cos थीटा ही होता है, ये तो आप पढ़े ना, तो वही होगा. cos pi by 2 तो 0 ही होगा. So you can take plus minus also. These are the solution of this trigonometrical equation. Can you write all these solution as a single formula? Yes, you can write 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on. बैठाइए, n के जगह पर 0 बैठाइए. What will be? pi by 2. n के जगह पर 1 बैठाइए, 3 pi by 2. 2 बैठाइए, 5 pi by 2. 4 बैठाइए, 7 pi by 2. माइनस 1 बैठाइए तो 0. सॉरी, n के जगह पर माइनस 1 बैठाइएगा तो माइनस 2 प्लस 1 वुड विल बी माइनस पाई बाई 2. n के जगह पर माइनस 2 बैठाइए, माइनस 3 पाई बाई 2 एंड सो ऑन. all plus minus values will come. So cos theta equal to 0, then theta equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This represents all the infinitely many solutions of the equation cos theta equal to 0. So this is called general solution or general value for the trigonometrical equation cos theta equal to 0. I think you have understand. Similarly for tan theta equal to 0, what will be the values of theta? Tan 0 degree 0, tan pi 0, tan 2 pi 0 and so on. You can use plus minus also. Here also same as for sin theta. Tan pi 0, tan minus pi, 10 minus theta minus 10 theta. 10 minus pi is minus 10 pi. 10 pi 0. So minus 0 plus 0 same thing. So 10 plus minus pi 0. 10 plus minus 2 pi 0. 10 plus minus 3 pi 0. So if tan theta equal to 0, then theta equal to 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi plus minus 3 pi and so on. Okay. We want to write all the solution as a formula. So same it will be as sine n pi, where n equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and so on. So tan theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi is the general solution for the equation tan theta equal to 0. So you have to remember in this way. Sin theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi. Cos theta equal to 0, then theta equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Tan theta equal to 0, then theta equal to n pi, where n is any integer or 0 and so on. These are the these trigonometrical equations are called standard equations. Standard equations and their general solutions. Here in class 11 we read the general solution. ऐसे sin theta equal to 1 by 2 तो क्लास 10 में करते थे theta equal to 30 डिग्री. That is a particular solution, एक solution, और बाकी सब solution बचा हुआ है. So here we find general solution for not only sin theta equal to half, any type of trigonometrical equation. Okay. So for that, first of all we have to take the general these three standard trigonometrical equation and their general solution. You have to remember this as a formula. There are some more standard equations. We see their general solutions, and then after at random we take trigonometrical equation and find their general solutions. So go on watching trigonometrical equation. Thank you for watching in this video this much.